Welcome to PitchShare Connect.
Introducing PitchShare Connect's unique and innovative video messaging platform, set to revolutionize how you communicate and share vital information. We designed PitchShare Connect to make interactions more engaging, personal, and effective. Whether you're using it for professional purposes, individual connections, or creative endeavors, we are delighted to be part of your communication journey.
All you need is the ability to create videos on your phone, whether it's your elevator pitch, a digital business card, an introduction, or an announcement of a sale or discount. You can even send a personalized message with a video or photo to a friend or loved one. Our platform allows you to tag your contacts and organize them into groups for bulk sending, making communication more efficient than ever. The uses are limitless. Create and share a professional introduction. Follow up after meetings and events. Enhance engagement through video. Reconnect with old contacts. Promote events. And build brand awareness or make introductions to members of your network. Each video message can be texted through our platform, scanned via its unique QR code, or copied by its link, ensuring easy access for your recipients. Our tracking feature lets you know when your video was viewed, allowing you to time your follow-ups effectively. Attach your website, calendar, YouTube, or other vital URLs to your video messages for added convenience and reference for the receiver.
PitchShare Connect offers 3 subscription levels tailored to fit your needs. It's free to join, and level 1 is always free once you subscribe.
Create a free account. Enter your details. Your name, email, password, and phone number are mandatory. Complete the CAPTCHA to ensure you are not a robot. Also, you might want to complete optional info for maximum exposure.
Welcome to the Admin Panel tab. This tab is the main screen listing the platform options and showing the last used pitch video. If you have multiple pitches, just use the arrow next to the pitch name to select a different pitch video.
To manage your pitches, select, create, or recreate the pitch video you want. Unleash your creativity and personalize your messages by uploading or creating a video pitch on your phone. Create a video pitch to use as your elevator pitch, a marketing promo for your business, an introduction, or a personal message. You can have up to 5 multiple pitch messages depending on your subscription level. Create or recreate a new pitch by selecting Add New Pitch. Enter and save the title of the pitch. Record your new pitch video on your phone, upload an image or business card, and you have the option to enter any URLs you want to include with the pitch. You can choose or create a new contact with whom you would like to share your pitch video. Or you can select the option to share with a contact or multiple contacts you have already saved by checking off the contact or category tags you have selected. If you have multiple pitches, use the arrow next to the title of the pitch to see your saved pitches. Select the pitch you would like to use.
In the Update Profile tab, you can personalize your profile with the essential information you'd like to share. The options cater to your unique needs, allowing you to enter other details and optional URLs. The number of permitted URLs to be included in your pitch video is determined by your subscription. This profile information will be part of all your video pitches and responses. It keeps you at the top of mind of your recipients, and all your details are at their fingertips.
Welcome to the Upgrade Your Account tab. The trial period is 30 days of using the Deluxe Tier 3 level. After your free trial period, you can choose your subscription level. 3 tiers are available. Deluxe Tier 3, which includes 5 pitch videos, each with 1 video and 1 image, 50 tags or categories, 50 contacts in bulk messaging, and 5 URLs. Premium Tier 2 includes 3 pitch videos, each with 1 video and image, 25 tags, 25 contacts in bulk messaging, and 3 URLs. Starter Tier 1 is free and includes 1 pitch video and 1 image, 5 tags, 5 contacts for bulk messaging, and 1 URL. You can make changes to your desired level before every renewal. You will receive notifications for updates and added features.
Under the Local Events tab, this list is determined by the distance you choose from your location. Each event has a banner or video explaining the event. You can create your event by uploading a video of the details from your phone. You can share your event or an event you will attend and add your invitational message video. Your shared events can be verified if opened and watched. Anytime you share on PitchShare Connect, all the information on your profile is also shared. Your event video can be created by our vendor for an additional charge.
In the Contacts tab, you can see your current contact list, modify the contacts in your network, or create new contacts. The contact list is comprised of contacts saved in your contact list. They can be edited and deleted as needed. To create a contact, enter the contact information of people with whom you would like to be part of your network for sharing information, introductions, events, and messages. The assigned categories allow them to have multiple tags to sort your contacts for bulk sharing and search. Enter and save the details of your contact profile. The information you enter in their profile can optionally be included in introductions.
In the Introductions tab, you can create an introduction or check the statistics of the introduction you created. Create an introduction, which allows you to create a video introducing people by making their contact info or using your contact list. Record your video and select the contacts you would like to introduce. You can include their information and save business cards when you choose their contact. You can introduce 2 or more people in your introduction video pitch. The contact's profile information can be shared based on your contact list details. The introduction statistics allows you to check the status of the introductions you initiated. You can see if the link was open and whether the video was started or played in its entirety. This will allow you to take whatever steps are necessary for follow-up. The status of the introduction will disappear 24 hours after all involved parties have opened and viewed the video or 7 days after being sent.
In the Contact Us tab, send a message through the platform and someone will contact you by the end of the next business day, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Thank you for choosing Pitch Share Connect. We are thrilled to see you embrace our innovative video messaging platform. Your support and trust in us drive our mission to revolutionize communication and information sharing. We designed Pitch Share Connect to make interactions more engaging, personal, and effective. Whether you are using it for professional purposes, individual connections, or creative endeavors, we are delighted to be part of your communication journey. Your feedback and experiences are invaluable to us. They help us continuously improve and tailor our features to serve your needs better. We are committed to providing you with the best possible experience and look forward to growing and evolving together. Once again, thank you for being a part of the Pitch Share Connect community. We are excited to see how you use our platform to connect, share, and innovate. We appreciate you subscribing, liking, sharing, following for updates, and helping us grow.